Okay, so we've had our students now look over the maps. Hopefully you guys have done the same and getting a little familiar. So Dominique, can you show me where a good example of a contact is?
It would be between this teal and this kind of lighter blue here.
Perfect. All right, so we see between this teal and lighter blue, we see that the contact is a very nicely dashed line and not dotted, but dashed. So that's good. And then how about a thrust fault? Where can we find a thrust fault?
Right here in this orange and peachy color.
Yep, so our orange and peach color are separated by a dotted line with saw teeth on it, right? And the saw teeth, as the saw teeth are on the orange, we know that the orange is structurally, after the thrust fault, the orange has been thrust on top of the peach layer. Okay? What about the concealed contact?
It's right next to the regular contact here in this light yellow
Very
section.
good. This light yellow section is alluvium, so we know that that's a sand and unconsolidated sand or gravel. So since we have this contact on this side of the alluvium and we have contact on that side of the alluvium, we can draw the dots in between, and that tells us that this is concealed contact under the alluvium. Very good. And Heidi, how about, Kylie, how about a strike and dip symbol? Do you have one of those?
Yes, I have one right here.
Okay, very good. So you can see that, and that it is saying that we have a strike and a dip of about 8 degrees. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Very good. And what about horizontal beds?
Which is right beside it.
Horizontal beds right beside it, that circle with a cross in it. Good. All right, so those are the different symbols that you guys are going to use the most, and now we're going to talk much more specifically about strike and dip and how we use those.